Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use a Krups coffee maker the first time or reinitiate the cycle. We turn on the appellants by pressing the power button. The light is flashing constant, or the light is glowing constant. Then it's important to pull out and fill the water tank. We put it back in place by pressing firmly and close the lid again. We open the coffee bean container and add the coffee beans. We close the coffee bean container lid again, of course, and then we are ready for action. We are going to put a container with a minimum capacity of 0.6 liters underneath the two coffee outlets and steam nozzle. Now it's time for pressing the rinse button. The appellant starts the initalisation cycle for rinsing off the steam and coffee circuit. The lights of power flashes. The cycle is finished when the light of the power becomes constant. The appellant is now ready to use. It's preferable to rinse the two circuits out at least once after the appellant has not been used for several days. Each time we plug our appellants in, it will carry out an initalisation cycle, and then you're ready to have a good and nice coffee taste. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.